This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, let's continue the same topic. Client scripts. So up to we're completed. Fourth one is completed or not, guys? Fourth one is completed successfully. When instance thread get changes to result, then resolution code and a nodes are mandatory. Assigned to an assignment group should not be seen. This requirement has been already completed. And move to another exercise, VIP. So when you selected any VIP caller, automatically impact and agency field value will be set up. Priority 1 high impact and agency high, and automatically priority will be critical. Impact and agency field should be read only on above condition. Then immediately display one alert message on browser that is caller is VIP. Okay, so first of all, developer we need to follow. Make one caller VIP. That may any person you can take as VIP. How a person can make VIP? Navigate it to sys_user.list. Any person you can make VIP. I'm selecting Fred Laddie. Fred Laddie, you can make VIP. It's already done. It's been made VIP. And navigate it to incident table. Try to understand the requirement. When you select VIP customer, automatically impact should be set 1, agency also set 1. Based on the impact and agency, priority will be set automatically, and these two fields make read only. For example, if you select Abraham Lincoln, so it's not adding any VIP tag on left side of the field because he's not VIP. If you select Fred Laddie, then automatically add VIP tag because Fred Laddie is VIP. VIP customer. VIP means nothing but very important customer to our business. So when VIP customer you selected as a caller, automatically we can set priority 1. How to achieve this requirement? Right click, go to configure, client scripts, leave it, and create new client script. And providing the details of your client script. VIP caller validation. And UI type is all. And which type of client script I have to select? You tell me, guys. So when you change the caller name, then only it will be execute. Okay, type is on change. And which field we have to select? It's caller. And a description we can provide over here. And write the code. First of all, how to get current logged in user details. Okay, write that variable current logged in user equal to g_form dot get reference of caller ID. Okay, so first of all, we have to define the condition where CLU is variable name equal to g_form dot get reference. Basically, caller ID field is the data type is reference. That's why I'm using get reference. So it will be handle a reference table. Okay, and next one. So we have to check the condition. So what is the condition? If caller.vip start working. So when the current selected user is like if the caller dot VIP equal to true. So then we have to set the priority one and urgency one. So when caller is VIP, so caller dot VIP equal to true means start working. Then we have to set general form that set value of, you can set impact one and urgency one. Impact value one and g underscore form that set value urgency one. Urgency also one, and define the condition, like define alert message alert caller is VIP. Okay, so then you can save it. Okay, so variable name equal to g underscore form dot get reference. First of all, it will be get reference field value stored into this variable. If caller dot VIP, so caller dot VIP nothing but the CLU, right? Actually, we have to define the CLU. Okay, not caller. Like it's here CLU dot VIP CLU dot VIP equal to true. Then I want to display what message color is VIP and gender skill format set value impact one address one. Okay, then these two fields always make read only. How can you make read only? The underscore form dot set disable read only. Which field you want to read only? Impact read only true, and g underscore form dot set disable urgency true. Okay, then otherwise, so we can define the else part. If caller is not VIP, okay, that moment I want excluding the else part. So it's a impact 3, urgency 3, and it's not disabled. Just we can make it false. And in case if you want to define the alert message also, you can define the alert message. Caller is not VIP. Save it. Let me open one more window, duplicate window. And second instant table, we can't create new. Okay, by default, impact is 3, urgency is 3, and the priority is 5. Right? Based on impact and urgency, priority will be setting. So when you selected VIP caller, suppose if you're selecting Abraham Lincoln, so on-chain client script won't execute. Caller is not VIP. Okay. And if you select able tutor, again executing on-chain client script every time. So this client script can execute every time when you change the color value. Okay, if you select any user, David, Dan, so it's not like always not VIP. When we select VIP color, add ID, so automatically it will be adding. So color is VIP. When you click on that, okay, what happened? automatically I declare the VIP act. So impact it's one, urgency also one. So when VIP customers try to create like a incident ticket, automatically should be set the priority one, critical one, impact one, urgency one. Meanwhile, these two fields are showing in read-only mode. And if you select any other user, suppose I'm selecting able tutor, so color is not VIP, then else part will be executed. Hey guys, any questions in that? Any queries in that? Any queries?
Sir, can you please explain again?
See, when you select any user, suppose for example, I have selected Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln is not VIP. That's why it's not setting the priority one. If you select able tutor also not VIP, right? So immediately showing the message call is not VIP. Okay, priority now not setting one. But when you select fraud ID, so caller is VIP, right? Yes, caller is VIP. Automatically, priority will be set critical. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So based on the VIP, based on the VIP caller, automatically we can set the values to your priority. So when you selected VIP caller, automatically priority will be set critical one. So the selected caller is not VIP. So I don't want to set the priority one. So this moment what happened? Else part will be executed. And move to other exercise. Exercise number 16. 6. So if customer, so when customer selected incident category is inquiry, then subcategory field should be hide. So when customer selected incident category is inquiry, then subcategory field should be hide. And remove the choice one from the impact field and agency field both. So when customer selected category is inquiry, then immediately need to remove the choices from where impact and agency both fields, and display an error message below impact field. Low impact is not preferring high priority. This is a requirement. Let me take the description and create new client script. Leave it and create new client script. Just a second. Okay, and coming to another exercise number 6. Okay, already creating new client script and provide the name of your client script. Client script name is, here it is. Removing choices, and the desktop is always your type is all. And now let me create on-chain client script. So let me open the requirement once again. It's the category, and write the code. Just you can define if new value. So new value is the parameter equal to inquiry. Then subcategory field should be hide. You can hide the field underscore form dot set visible or set display, and we can provide the name of that field name subcategory visible false. Okay, and need to remove the choice also, g underscore form data. So when customer selected, just a second. So when customer selected category is inquiry, immediately on-chain client script get execute and hide the subcategory field. Then remove the choice dynamically. It's a one from its impact and agency field. Okay, g underscore form dot set display subcategory field. How can you remove the choices? Remove option. Remove option. So which option you want to remove from which field? Impact field. And option is one. It's a value. And similarly, you can apply for other field also. G underscore form dot remove option. I want to remove the option, nothing but a choice. Agency also one. I want to remove these choices from which field? Impact and agency. Okay, and next requirement is remove the choice one is high from impact and agency field and display another message below the impact field. How to display the message below impact field? So we have to use g underscore form dot show field message. G underscore form dot show field message, and we have to provide the details. What is the message you want to pass? Low impact is not preferring high priority. Low impact is not preferring high priority. And second parameter is, first parameter we have to pass the field name. Under which field you want to display the message? Impact field. The message low impact is not preferring high priority. And last parameter is error. Okay. And otherwise we can execute the else part. You can save it first. save it and reload the form. Default value is inquiry, right? That's why on change client script is not going to execute. On change client script can execute when you change the category value. Okay, so it's not executed because on change script error reference new value is not defined function. Let me check the code. Spelling wrong. Save it and once again reload the form. Okay. Next one, so reload the form once again and then is working. So default value is inquiry, right? Now let me change the default value first, make it none. Go to configuration dictionary and okay, see it's about like how just how make it none, just update the dictionary entry record. And once again you can update client script and go to here. Okay, and go to check it out. So go to create new and color is not color. This is about, so the default value of category is none, right? When you select inquiry means when you change the category value, immediately on change client script get execute perform the action. So subcategory field should be hide and remove the choices from where impact and agency field both. Agency field is not removed. Why? But here message display the error message, not information message. What was the wrong? See, it is small e error, and next one is remove option
Spelling wrong.
urgency. Spelling wrong, right? Urgency. Once again, you can save it. You can save it and go to incident table. Just you can reload the browser. Yes, category default value none. On change client script get the category value. Yes, now I'm changing the category value. Immediately on change client script get execute and hiding the subcategory field. I'm not preferring that any high priority. So when you select the categories inquiry. So impact remove the choice, right? Dynamically remove the here also. And low impact is not preferring priority. But in case if you changes to another one, but not executing, why? So if you want to executing like any other than categories like a inquiry, so we have to define the else part. Okay, and just you can define the else part. And the subcategory field should be true. And there is a one more method called add option. So add option impact. So we have to pass the impact high and similarly say one high is nothing but display value, one is actual value. Save it and go to client scripts like a incident form, click on create new. It's my new form. When you selected category is inquiry, the subcategory field is hidden and remove. Just wait.
I need to add open flower bracket.
No, code is everything is fine. There's no wrong like a errors in code.
Open flower.
I think this is the
Or in middle sir, number add option.
Else part, sir, else part no brackets.
sorry.
Sorry,
Open close
16th line, sir, after else.
after else no brackets. Yeah.
Save it and go to incident table, reload the form. So the default category is none. When we select inquiry, so subcategory is hidden and remove agency one. Everybody please go on mute. I'm getting some disturbance. And so other than inquiry, if you select anything, okay, else part will be executed. So add the option, right? But option one is added. But what about these values are not added?
సార్ యాడ్ ఆప్షన్ లో మీరు మార్చి ఇచ్చారు సార్, ఇది మధ్యలో 1 నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి సార్.
Just a second.
మధ్యలో నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి సార్, 1 హై లాస్ట్ లో ఇవ్వాలి సార్, లాస్ట్ ఫీల్డ్.
No, it can be fine anything. It's no problem. Anyway, I will check with that other way. Let me try it. And if you are unable to write this code, the syntax, you can walk through documentation, product documentation. There we can find out exact syntax of that. There is no problem. Okay. Just you can reload the browser. When I selected categories inquiry, yes, it's working fine. Remove the choice and remove the choice. And other than anything, subcategory is defined. Yes. Now working right? But this one need to be moved out top. So how can you do it? You can try it, guys. Very simple. Okay. Clear?
Srinivas, I have one doubt. Like there in that requirement, you have given like remove option, right? But
Yes.
I don't want to remove that high. I just want to change the value from default value from to after I select incident, it should change to low. So without removing that option,
Yes,
so
same, right? So when you select them, like selecting that category, like inquiry, then so by default you want to select that it's right.
yes,
Yes, same you
but I
can do
also
it.
want to keep that high value. in the drop down. I don't want to remove
Sorry,
that.
you want to remove this one? Which one?
No, I don't want to remove that one high value also. Just I want to select this 3 low without removing that one high.
So when we selected the categories inquiry, default you want to select the like a 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, same. See, go to the client script, write on-chain client script. What is the condition? What is the condition? If new value equal to inquiry, then we can define the g underscore format set value impact 3 and set value adjacency 3. That's it, simple.
Okay. Then no need to use that remove option, right?
No need to remove it.
Okay.
So when you selected any customer selected inquiry, so immediately I want to hide the subcategory field, and meanwhile I want to remove the choices dynamically. But if you select any other choice, other category other than inquiries, then we can be able to see it, right?
Yeah.
Let's move to exercise number 7. When incident state is new, first of all, let me copy. Just a minute. See, go to incident form. Okay. So if you come to state model, we have different states in my like a state field. Okay. So when you open any incident ticket, the ticket status is new. I don't want show remaining state values. I want hide these all the choices when status is new. If you show these all the remaining states to the customer directly may can close the ticket or they can cancel the ticket and they can resolve the ticket. Okay, so when the current like a record open record state current open record status is new, so I want to hide all the remaining choices. So when you select that status is in progress, that moment I want hide new and pending, closed and cancelled. When status is resolved, that moment we can show only full state. I don't want to show the remaining states. I don't want back to previous states. So when status is closed, I want show all the fields read only. So customer will not update the record in closed state. So how to achieve it? Simply go to configure and form layout. So we configure and client scripts. Leave it. Create new client script. State validations. Desktop is all. So which type of client script we need to select? On road. So when you open any record based on the condition, the item like the choices should be hide on showing. Okay. So on road client script you can select and define the condition. First of all, we have to get the field value, current record field value. How to get it? G underscore form dot variable. So variable inc state variable inc state. It's a variable name. G underscore form dot get value of which field that field we have to define. I want to get state field. So when you open any existing record, first of all, this onload form get execute and get the state value, current state like current record state value. If current record state value is inc state, this state value can store into inc variable, right? Equal to like a one nothing but it's a new, right? So when inc state equal to new, then I want hide the like a choices. How can you remove the choices? Already you have the idea, right? G underscore form dot remove option. Remove option nothing but temporary hide, okay? Not remove permanently. State 2, nothing but in progress. And similarly, you can hide other fields also. So when current state is a 1, it's new. I won't hide all the choices, like remove all the choices. 2 in progress, is on hold, 6 is resolved, and 7 is 7 is closed. Okay, and I can define else if statement. Otherwise, and else if statement, inc state and c state equal to 2, nothing but in progress. So when current open record status is in progress, then I want to remove some choices. Which choices you want to remove? Like I want to remove the choice 1 new. I don't want to show that. I want to like I want to resolve and 7 closed and 8 cancel. 8 cancel. I won't hide the cancel also. Okay, when current record status is 1 new, I want to hide these all the choices. So when current open record status is in progress, so I don't want so new and closed and 8, and finally else if and c state equal to like I can define the OR condition also. Again, define OR condition. INC state equal to also nothing but so when current record status is in progress or on hold, so that moment I want to remove the only these choices. I want to show the on hold, okay, and other choices. So when current record status is 1, I want to remove these all the options. Current record status is in progress or on hold, I want remove state 1. It's a new and closed and cancel. And finally, when and state equal to resolved, which is 6, then we can define the condition. I want to remove all the choices. And also 1, 2, 3, and 8, and only show closed. And finally, else if inc state equal to 7. 7, it's a closed. Okay, all the fields make read only, or else you can remove this one. We can working with other exercise. Don't worry. Save as of now. And click on create new. So current record state is new. That's why I'm unable to see like all choices. Pending is I added recently. Let me remove the choice not required. It's a custom choice and save it. So when you open any new record, so this onload client script could execute when the form is loaded. The current record state is new, that's why I'm able to see all the states. Like now, I'm assigning this ticket to any person. So when the ticket is assigned to someone else, automatically state get changes to in progress. Save it. When state get changes to in progress, right? When state get like when the ticket is assigned to automatically state changes to in progress. When current open record state, so the form will be executed. Okay, right? Now I'm not going to show low and closed. Okay, so when you set the on hold also, you'll be able to see that on hold reason field. When on hold reason is, then only we can be able to see this all. That may be either in progress or on hold. So when state get changes to result and resolution code notes are mandatory, right? Resolution code and the notes are mandatory, and save it. So once the state get changes to result, okay, as per the customer confirmation, you have to close it and then close it. So the current record open state is result. Okay, then only you can be able to close it and save. Once state is closed, okay, identify any condition. So I want to remove all the choices. Once status is closed, I want to remove all the choices. If you want to make any changes, you can define the one more condition. Else if condition you can define. Clear, guys? Any questions up to now?
Yes, Srinivas.
You have any questions?
Yeah. I'm asking in Telugu.
Tell me.
Can I?
Sorry?
యాక్చువల్గా ఇన్సిడెంట్ అంటే యూజర్స్ కి ఏమన్నా ప్రాబ్లం వస్తే ఇన్సిడెంట్ రైజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు
Exactly.
మనం విఐపి యూజర్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక అలర్ట్ బాక్స్ ఇస్తున్నాం కదా, ఐ మీన్ అది డెవలపింగ్ లో భాగం కదా, దాన్ని
ఏంటండి?
మనం అంటే జనరల్ గా యూజర్స్ కి ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇన్సిడెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు.
Yes, correct.
అంటే
Any
ఇప్పుడు
customer
ఏదైనా
facing a problem,
విఐపి
unfortunately, that is called unexpected interruption. They have to create incident ticket. Okay, the next.
విఐపి యూజర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు అలర్ట్ బాక్స్ చూపిస్తుంది కదా, అంటే
Yes,
అది డెవలప్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఒక టికెట్ రైజ్ చేస్తారు. అది కూడా
no.
ఇన్సిడెంట్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలా?
Cannot raise any ticket to develop this kind of things. That can be considered a story. For example, so when you open that incident form, it's empty, let us assume. So previously, when you select the Friday, okay, and automatically it's like so previously it's not showing the color VIP, right? Based on the color selection, automatically populate one browser message. If the color is VIP, then display the VIP. And then what happened? These two fields are like read only and set values and make it priority one. So I don't want selecting the priority value manually. If the color is VIP, then automatically we can prefer it's a very critical. Okay. ఇంతకుముందు మనకు లేదు కదా, ఇది మనమే చేస్తాం, అవునా?
అవును, ఆ స్టోరీస్ డిఫరెంట్, ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ డిఫరెంట్ అని చెప్తున్నారు.
No, story not story different, incident different. So this is the form, right? So
Yes.
when internal customers or employees are facing any problem on their business application, they can create incident ticket. As a ServiceNow developer, what is our responsibility? We have to customize the form. For example, previously this message is not coming, right?
Yes.
If you select able tutor, okay, what happened? So previously this message is not coming, right? Previously,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు వస్తుంది అంటే background I have created one client script based on the client requirement. What is the client requirement? Sir, when I selected any VIP caller, I want to display the message yes, caller is VIP. If you selected non-VIP, then also I want to display the message caller is not VIP, like that. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Hello,
Santosh, please go ahead.
sir. The UI policy is alternative of client script, no, sir?
UI policy and the client script both are the same, will be executing on the client side. That's nothing but browser. Okay,
Okay.
it won't take much time to check your validation in the ServiceNow platform. That's why
Okay.
we are going to implementing the client script. So what are the activities we are doing with client script? Same activities we do with UI policy also, already we seen, right? But UI
Yeah.
policy only we can do field mandatory, read only and visible, right? With only 3 operations. But client script we can do a lot of operations like this. Okay, we are using all
Okay.
methods, right? So dynamically we are going to remove the option, but that choice is not available in UI policy. What
Okay.
is my point?
Yeah.
Once completed client script, I can show you the difference between UI policy and client script both.
Okay. Okay.
Okay guys, I'm going to end up class today. See you tomorrow.